Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin reacts positively to inflation results. Interest in Bitcoin increases after banking collapse in the US. Bitcoin surpasses Meta and aims for Tesla after explosive surge. The Ethereum-GOERLI network has been successfully forked to perform the Shanghai upgrade on the testnet. Polygon Labs and Unstoppable Domains partner to launch Web3 domains for the Polygon network. FILECOIN, an Ethereum-compatible blockchain platform. The FBI and New York authorities are investigating the collapse of stablecoin Teros. How to create and sell Bitcoins.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin reacts positively to inflation results. Bitcoin surpasses $26,000 after U.S. inflation of 6% is announced. The price of Bitcoin reaches a new high of $26,286. The increase comes after the U.S. inflation of 6% was announced in February. This increased demand for Bitcoin as a store of value. The inflation is attributed to pandemic economic recovery and fiscal stimuli. The rise in inflation has also increased demand for gold and other safe assets. Analysts predict further increase in Bitcoin price in the short term. Despite market volatility, Bitcoin remains an attractive investment for many. Interest in Bitcoin increases after banking collapse in the U.S. In recent months, banks in the U.S. have been experiencing system failures. Consumers have suffered payment delays and lost access to their bank accounts. These problems have led to an increase in demand for decentralized financial alternatives like Bitcoin. Interest in Bitcoin has increased in areas affected by the banking collapse, such as Texas and California. Experts believe that the increased adoption of Bitcoin is a reflection of dissatisfaction with the traditional banking system. In addition, the security, privacy, and financial autonomy offered by Bitcoin are increasingly valued by consumers. As blockchain technology continues to mature, the adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is expected to increase even further. Despite market volatility, Bitcoin remains a popular option as a store of value and alternative to traditional banking. Bitcoin surpasses Meta and aims for Tesla after explosive surge. Bitcoin has surpassed its key technical target of $25,000. The cryptocurrency's price has risen over 70% since the beginning of the year, outperforming well-known giants in market capitalization like Meta. The surge has been driven by increased institutional adoption and entry of big investors. In addition, Tesla has invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and plans to accept cryptocurrency payments. The adoption of Bitcoin as a form of payment has increased, driving its value. Experts predict that Bitcoin's bullish trend will continue in the future. Despite market volatility, Bitcoin remains an attractive investment for many. However, some analysts warn of the need for caution and to be aware of government regulation. The Ethereum-GOERLI network has been successfully forked to perform the Shanghai upgrade on the testnet. The upgrade aims to improve the capacity and efficiency of the network, particularly for data synchronization. However, the fork was not without issues, with some nodes failing to update correctly. Ethereum developers have thanked testnet participants for their collaboration in identifying the issues. The problems are expected to be resolved before the upgrade is implemented on the main Ethereum network. The Shanghai upgrade is one of many planned improvements for the Ethereum network in the coming months. The GOERLI testnet is becoming an important place for testing new Ethereum upgrades. Polygon Labs and Unstoppable Domains partner to launch Web3 domains for the Polygon network. Web3 domains will allow Polygon users to have a personalized address. These addresses are unique and can be used to receive cryptocurrency payments. Domains can also be used to create decentralized websites. Polygon users now have access to a new way to interact with the network. The initiative is expected to improve adoption and usage of the Polygon network. Headline: Polygon Labs and Unstoppable Domains launch 403 domains for the Polygon network. FILECOIN, an Ethereum-compatible blockchain platform. FILECOIN, the decentralized storage platform, has launched its own virtual machine called the FILECOIN Virtual Machine (FVM), which will allow it to support smart contracts and decentralized applications. In addition, it will be able to connect with other blockchains and the rest of the crypto ecosystem. Applications created on the network will enhance its primary goal of providing decentralized file storage and will also be able to monetize data sets and improvements. The virtual machine will allow for liquid staking, unlocking the value of tokens that are staked. The FVM is expected to be a critical step in FILECOIN's roadmap to becoming an open cloud services marketplace. The FBI and New York authorities are investigating the collapse of stablecoin ETHEREUM. The cryptocurrency, which is backed by US dollars, plummeted in value in June 2022. ETHEREUM holders suffered significant losses due to the decrease in the coin's value. The investigation is believed to focus on whether the company behind ETHEREUM provided false information about its reserves. This incident highlights the importance of transparency and regulation in the cryptocurrency market. The investigation is expected to provide more information about the stability and security of stablecoins. How to create and sell Bitcoins. Bitcoins are becoming a popular way to monetize digital art. To create and sell Bitcoins, you need a wallet that is compatible with both Ethereum and Bitcoin. The process involves creating a non-fungible token that represents the digital art and uploading it to an NFT marketplace platform. Creators can set prices and royalties to receive a portion of future sales. The Bitcoin NFT market is growing rapidly, with several famous artists and brands creating and selling Bitcoins. However, there are also concerns about the environmental impact of creating and trading. Bitcoins can be an exciting new way to monetize digital art, but they also pose challenges and concerns.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.